The Logicians present Atamaii, a JavaFX project. Our application is called Atamaii, whose name comes from the Japanese word smart or intelligent. The group consists of Joe Little, Abraham Martinez, and Matthew Kelly. Atamaii is both a note-taking and a flashcard app, useful for students and learners to keep track of their learning endeavors. On the main menu, the user can view your recent decks here on the left and your recent notes on the right. Additionally, you can create new decks and new notes at the top of the screen, or you can type in the front of the note card, the back of the note card, and then you can choose which deck to put the note card into, or you can create a new deck. Additionally, with notes, you can create new notes the same way. When going into all of your decks, you can use the search bar up top to locate specific decks. As well as with the notes, you can do the same, and on the right side of the application, there's a drop-down arrow to where you can delete decks. The settings page of our app also allows for users to customize the interval of retention which they desire. For instance, suppose a user wants to increase their retention in a deck to, say, 85%. You can then select the specific deck or check the all decks, apply changes, and close. The flashcard system of Atamaii takes advantage of an algorithm used by Anki, of which we base the flashcard algorithm from. By that same token, Anki was influenced by the SuperMemo 2 algorithm, one designed by an older flashcard app. The algorithm uses a formula and variables that determine the interval in which a card should appear above the rest in a certain study session. With the note-taking feature, the user can further expand their learning capabilities with the ability to create detailed documentation and quickly reference previous information. The user can create and modify note files with the JavaFX rich text editor, which allows for standard documentation editor features such as text styling, sizing, and more.